Tablet mo. Let's go guys. Hi guys. I'll be back. Huwag mong kagatin yan. Tayo natin subukan yung Finicraft. Sana gumana na to. Sige, gulang.
Yeah.
Galing nga sa ano, puwet.
Don't get out.
Thanks for downloading FURNICR.
So guys, ayan yung bahay ko. Ito, Adrian. Sa wakas, gumana na. Walang naman
Plus
to.
player.
Yan na oh. Look. Look, I have a camera. This camera. Ito yung camera, parang ano eh, ganito. Ito yung settings oh. Static, follow up, zoom, reset.
TV, please. What about the TV? Kuya, where are
Ayusin ko na tong house guys.
I just started.
Oh, yan, buti meron ka pala. Buksan mo. Ay, wait lang.
Wait, I forgot.
Okay, social. Naglalag tuloy ako. Audio player permission.
Okay,
Operator.
paano ko?
Yan, naka-operator ka na.
I put the paintbrush. Where are you?
Kalimutan ko ilaw, oh my god.
Oh no! I made a mistake.
General.
Player. Teleported player to General CCG.
Oh! Ow! Ow! Kuya, I just wanna make my own house, by the way. Hello, you little shit. Die!
Phew.
Kuya, anong gagawin ko
guys.
dito sa paintbrush?
Wait lang.
Kuya! Wait, why? What happened to the sun, bro? What happened to the sky?
I don't know.
Let me change it, by the way. What is that? Oh! How did it change? Oh, I think it's just the weather. It's from the weather. Kuya, what do I do with this stupid paintbrush, bro?
Oh. Orange ka pala.
What do I do with
Tara
these?
natin, papatay natin. Taran, ay, di maabot. Okay.
I'm going to make my own house. You little shit, you going to stay here there for an hour. Poor my little buddy. I'm so sad. Oh my gosh. My dream. Oh my gosh. I like this thing, bro.
Yeah, you see this? Yeah. Yeah, a paintbrush.
I am going to explode. I'm about to explode, Kuya. I will about to make. Kuya, I can make my own house with these. I'm going to use.
May kwarto ka, Liana.
No, I don't care. I hate it.
Bruh.
This is. I love my. I like this. Where did you get it, brother?
Alright, let's try this.
Ooh, doorbell. I need one.
The TV.
Let me try the paintbrush. Okay, I'm going to use it. How?
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, cute socks! What the? Oh.
Oh. What is
How
this?
could I draw by my own?
Backpack.
Not this. Not this. Not this. Not this.
Oh my god, this is the update.
No.
18.
Yes. Maybe by that.
Hospital.
We'll need.
Oh my god, this camera. Look at the
Oh,
camera. Okay, let's try this.
I got a lot of
Blackboard.
bags, bruh.
The church. A school.
I got 2 bags.
Church. Technology.
Kuya.
There he is.
I had,
CCTV.
I had news. I had news.
Oh. Ay, ano ba? Ang kulit.
I don't know what to do, by the way, but actually, there's only one thing I can put a lot. Let's put all.
Oh man.
Kuya,
Wow.
sana Kuya, parang gusto ko yung mga to, kasi dito parang same sa ito.
Ah, it's full. Hindi kasya yan. Maraming ano. Iwan ko lang. Daming nilagay siguro.
Did I just drop something?
Ano
Kuya,
magkulay
paano ko
nito?
ito baba?
Bar.
Kuya, paano ko ito baba?
Wait
Kuya,
lang.
hindi siya.
I don't know. Supermarket. Maybe later no. Okay. Ano ba yan? Notification. Okay, let's go try the CCTV here. Okay, so this is the room. idea. Okay, let's go try this. Let's go try this. This camera. Oh, I have an idea. Let's go, finally. Command menu. Honest. Kaya pala gang notification for notification. Wait lang. Uy, may aircon pa.
Kuya, ano gagawin ko to sa shelf?
Shelves. Ay, yan yung mga items.
Lagay ng
Mga weapons. Pwede yan. Grabe, may aircon pa. Woo! Pero hindi, it's not work. What is this? Modern. Modern. Ah, okay.
Swimming pool sa labas, dinadaanan ng dagat. Gating talaga nito. James, ay pinabili mong Milo, oh. Oh, James, Timino. James. Tama na yan. Milo. Kain ka na. Dalawang ulo, isang ano.
sa elevator. Ito elevators.
Elevators? Di ko alam yan.
Hindi ko kaya.
Pwede pala kabit.
Hindi siya nag-work. Scam to scam.
Wait, I have an idea.
Hindi siya nag-work. I didn't make a house yet. Oh, I didn't meant to ruin this. Make it back. Oh, what? Kuya, how did that?
Ang tagal na yan?
I don't know.
Hindi lamang to.
Okay, I hit this. I dropped. Oh my god, Kuya, I can't do that.
Backpack? Oh! It's like a chest. Parang chest yan.
Give me that. Oh my god, bro, what the heck? I need that. And I didn't meant to say, I actually ruined this one and didn't meant to.
Oh god.
Kuya, can you remove the brain? Remove it.
Just clear weather.
Yeah. Finally. Where's the sun? Sunny. Oh, you're blowing me off. Your house is too much big, and mine. I think I had those spaces. Because I
Where are you? Oh.
I'm the other side. I love this colorful bags. Can you? I actually love it, and I can't really know. Oh, I need these.
I cannot find it.
I like the fairy.
She was a fairy tale.
What the? Is this house there? No. Kuya, look.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. So,
Oh no, I'm low
this-
battery.
No, I need these. Can you help me? Kuya, can you? What? Oh man, you're low but already. I just started to make my own
Bye.
house.
I'm 2% now.
Bye, guys.
See you later, guys.
Kuya, pa-download mo